We have all been there. Buying a skincare products online can feel like a gamble. There are so many products, each promising something different, and it's hard to tell which one will actually work for you. You read the descriptions, check the reviews, and maybe even watch a couple of influencers use it. But at the end of the day, it's still a shot in the dark. So, how can we fix it? The problem is, skin is unique to each person. What works for one person may not work for another, and the confusion around that is costing both customers and businesses. Have you ever bought a skincare product that promised glowing skin only to find it did the opposite? Or maybe you're a customer who felt like you have tried every product out there, but nothing seems to work for your specific needs. This is where FaceAge comes in. FaceAge is a smart tool that analyzes your skin's characteristics and helps you find products that actually match your skin's needs. No more guessing, no more trial and error. FaceAge helps your customers shop smarter by recommending products that will actually work for them. Activate FaceAge on your store and start giving your customers the experience they deserve.